Funde isiXhosa no-Under Penguin neetshomi zakhe.
H is ha, ha, ha. Hamba, go or walk. Hamba. Hayi, no. Hayi. Hoya, pay attention. Hoya umsebenzi wakho. Pay attention to your work. Hoya. Hoya, to care. Hoya inja yakho. Take care of your dog.
Ze niphinde nibuye nizokuqhubeka ufunda isiXhosa no-Under Penguin neetshomi zakhe. Don't forget to like and follow. Bye!